Let me show you what our bedroom looks like here in Kilimani. Most of us just pass these places. We go to work in town, we go to work in Kilalesho, we go to work in Lavington, in Kilimani offices. But have you ever set foot in one of these bedrooms and seen what they look like? That is what we are going to do today. Today we are going to take a tour of a one-bedroom unit plus an additional room here at the heart of Kilimani, and we get to see what actually a one-bedroom looks like here. Let's open the door and let's get inside and take a tour of the unit. You see metallic door and the security everywhere. This is a very secure neighborhood. And as you enter, now parking is everywhere. Parking is underground, parking is front. You can use the lift, you can use the stairs. The place is beautiful. The weather is just wow. And most of us just happen to be walking around. So meaning if you buy a unit here, you will get to be stationed next to your working space, next to the office where you work. And how beautiful can that be? When you are in this compound, you don't need to worry about parking space. There is ample parking space here, both the basement and the front parking. Now we are at the front parking, and as you can see, this is those places where you park your car and you don't worry about too much sun or the car being rained on. The compound itself is good, as you can see. And now you can just choose any location, park your car, and now come to the lift. So it is like you are coming from your house to the lift and to your car. And now when you are here, you can choose to use the lift, and then there's also the stairs. You can use the stairs or you can use the lift. But because there's full power backup generator, so the lift is actually 24/7. But now let's use the lift and then we meet upstairs. High-speed lift that is, and now you are getting to the unit. Let's come with me. Let us get to see the unit and what it looks like. And now we are here at this magnificent unit, one bedroom plus study room. Just let's take a tour of this unit and see how beautiful, how amazing it is. Right next to the door, you have your kitchen area with marble countertop, very beautiful, with a lot of storage. You can keep a lot of items here. And then you have your microwave here. You can warm some food there. And then to my left now is a provision for the fridge. This is a 90-liter fridge, Hisense. And then just next you have your dining area. But of course the choice is yours. You can as well tilt it this side and have the seats this end and the other end, whether five seats or even 4 seats. And now this is the living room area. Look at the carpeting that has been done. Look at the L-shaped coach and how beautiful it is. You have decoration here, nice plans for decoration, and you have an amazing, this is a 50 inches screen. So one bedroom unit on sale for only 7.2 million Kenya shillings. And it has an additional room which can be used as a study room. But as well, you can convert it into another small bedroom. But now imagine just coming back home and here in Kilimani, a quiet environment, just sitting sometimes watching something watching some program, and now you have the balcony area to this side. Sometimes you just want to have a rest, and just sometimes come outside here, outside the balcony area, and then just have an amazing view of whatever is happening. But also it comes with a laundry area. There's just a nicely fitted laundry area that side. By the end of the day, this is a one bedroom unit, so we don't expect much. But of course, look at the size. It is just beautiful. Then you have this provision here. This could be a bookshelf. Could use this area to keep other items. And then just look at the kind of TV stand that is here. It extends from that point to this point. And then look at the corridor now leading to the bedroom. Let's see. This is the bedroom itself. First of all, let's start with the washroom area. This is the washroom area. This is the shower area. Look at the quality of the fittings that have been done here. The shower itself, this is modern shower, plus the spacing that has been done. What is just left is now to insert a glass cubicle to separate this area and this area. Then you have toilet and this beautiful sink here, with a mirror. Sometimes you want to take a look at yourself before you kick your day. And this is now the study area. This is a small room. This small room, you can see it has a bed, meaning you can use it as a guest room or just as an additional room. But the main room is the other side. You can see this is a 4x6 bed that has fitted well, and it has left some quite some space, so that even if you want to fit in a shoe rack, plus it comes with a closet plus additional drawers. You can keep a lot of items there, cosmetics and all that, and more storage here where you can just put your bags and all that stuff. And it is beautiful. Imagine this for a one bedroom, you get all these ones. And this is now the bedroom itself. Now look at the bedroom itself. Comes with a large window where you just want to open sometimes and enjoy the freshness from outside, the fresh air rather from outside. And this is a 5x6 bed. Look at how beautifully it is. It has just occupied its space very well, plus the nice carpet that has been done. And to every side you have the socket area. You could be resting somewhere there and changing your phone. And now look at the closet, that is the kind of closet that has been put here. It is just wonderful. This is a walk-in closet, sliding, to minimize the amount of space. You know those ones that you need to open backwards, like this one, backwards would consume a lot of space. But this is beautiful, and the storage is just quite enough. You can put all the bags, all the luggage you want this side. Still you will be left with more space. You can still come to this side and put all the luggage as you want, but still you will be left with a lot of storage there. And you have these cabinets here, a lot of them, cosmetics, towels, socks, everything that you would want to keep inside. And now the wooden floor, of course, to maintain the temperature in the room so that it is not so cold. And this is beautiful. This is one bedroom unit on sale for 7.2 million Kenya shillings. So most of the times when you consider buying a real estate property, especially 1 or 2 bedroom, you look at your budget and the financing model. If you are buying through a bank, of course, they will just come and do the assessment, and once they approve everything, you will get to buy it. But of course, when you're looking at the budget, this at 7.2, you get 1 bedroom plus additional room in Kilimani, at the heart of Kilimani. How beautiful is that? This is a ready unit, ready for occupation. Payment is just in cash or mortgage. The 7.2 can be spread within a time span of 3 months. So you can put 50%, 30% or 20%, or you can start with 30%, 50% and 20%, whichever arrangement provided. All of the payment comes within a time span of 3 months. But of course, if you have the money at once, why not? And if interested, please call or WhatsApp the number of the screen so that I'll reach out to you, or you can reach out to me, and then we'll interact. I'll get you to the location and help you secure this wonderful 1 bedroom unit here at the heart of Kilimani. Keep it at Kaba Realtors. Until next time, my name is Bob. Bye bye.